Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use division in a scientific calculator. First, find the division symbol, which usually looks like a forward slash or an oblique. To perform a calculation, you'll first enter the number being divided, known as the dividend. Next, press the division operator. Then, input the number you are dividing by, the divisor. Finally, press the equals button to see your answer displayed on the screen. When dealing with more complex expressions, parentheses are your best friend for ensuring the correct order of operations. For example, to calculate the sum of 10 and 2, then divide by 3, you would input open parenthesis, 10 plus 2, close parenthesis, then the division symbol followed by 3. Remember, fractions are simply a numerator divided by a denominator. If you have mixed numbers, convert them to improper fractions first for accurate results. To avoid common errors, always remember that division by 0 is undefined and will result in an error message, often displayed as error or E. Another frequent issue is unclosed parentheses, which can lead to a syntax error. Before hitting the equals button, take a moment to review your entire input to ensure all numbers and operations are entered correctly. Familiarizing yourself with your calculator's specific error codes can also help you quickly troubleshoot any problems. Many scientific calculators offer advanced features to enhance your division capabilities. For integer division, some models provide a remainder function, giving you both the quotient and the remainder. You can often convert a decimal answer back into a fraction using a dedicated FD key. The reciprocal function, usually marked as x to the power of -1, quickly calculates 1 divided by any number. Always consult your calculator's manual to discover all its unique and powerful division functions.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.